In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the service interval or the oil reset on a 2022 Kia Forte. It's not the easiest process, but once we walk you through it, it shouldn't be too bad. You're going to use this button right here that pulls up the menu. I'm going to press that, and I'm going to press it a couple times until I get over to the one that looks like a little gear. Then I'm going to press the up and down arrows to navigate through this until you get to the one that says convenience. Then I'm going to push in on the button to enter into that menu. Then I'm going to go to service interval. I'm going to push OK again. And then I'm going to go down to reset service interval. When I press reset, it's going to ask me if I would like to reset the time and distance. Yes, I would. And that's all there is to it. It'll reset it back to whatever you had it set to. If you'd like to reset it to something different, you can adjust the service interval here. You'll notice that this one right now is set to 3,000 miles in 4 months. You can set it to whatever you'd like, and then that's when you'll get that reminder. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.